Hey, how are you? My name is Paula, I'm 31 years old and I'm a teacher of English. I have many years of experience in this field. Since I was a child, I attended to a bilingual school where I had high qualified teachers who taught me all the native aspects of the language. Then when I went to university, I decided to specialize myself in phonetics, for instance. And then I did some international examinations such as in tourism, business, job interview, and some levels of English. Ana Paula English Services, that is to say me, pretend to get you motivated, engaged with the classes, and above all, to consider that my teaching methods are the suitable ones for you. I invite you to head for this path together to achieve the goals you have ever dreamed to come true.